old doctor, feeling my back. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Give me the body and come up and a trapper. My health, all my life, oh. Mean quite in my pomade, my health, all my life, oh. My pomade in mean my health, all my life. Mean quite in my pomade, my health, all my life. My pomade in mean quite. Me no doctor, feeling my back. Tell a friend to tell a friend, give me the body and come up and trapper, baby.
Every time for your mama, you know, aquaba about my health, my life, my pomade, the main Kaisa. This is the Ghana month edition of my health, my life. Then you to find your eastern region, and your ba eastern region, your ba Asenama, Waterfalls. A hot energy mediano, ye bedi a free Kaisa, and that ye becasa afa massage at the waterfalls. The benefits. Hey, right now, I just can't imagine entering there to go and do that massage. And say no come on there, but benefits of massaging and then especially massaging at the waterfalls. And no come on and the only said you be doing for bonka. Your fast that can see a pa special ice mineral water. Me be special ice, hey, you be there, so I know a sippy cra, and me didn't so buy, yes, specific council, you do hands, yes, CPB, and say that special ice mineral water. Say, Kai says special ice and process and the momo. And son, no would you are bro, who caught the poor and walk toward there, and now caught the poor and wait to near bed deliver more. Come on. If I show beyond can't show any momo, and to make us a momo, I mean, for your bro, that's just a nippon or that dow on free special ice. Sounds like these special drinks, and so made in Ghana special drinks, the award winning special drinks. You were cola, you were grapes, you were special ginger, and there were cocktail. And try any of the special drinks this Ghana month because it's made in Ghana. Bibi Ghana beer, we are celebrating it. That's not be just palma. This way chocolate drink. Ghana cocoa papa bi. Tata kwashi cocoa papa bi ya dia. Bibia wo mu deda. Ente do an se wonya onsuo hye. Umpa nsuo hye nso de ndi o ma hwese na wia ne bo a. Now the ice kakra gu so. Wape o gari kakra, wape on katia kakra. Now the aboso. Ye dey asidan so ma kojak paste the kojak balm almost so as na did you me dey bro so as na dey vegatem immune booster almost so as na did you be dey won ebusia we dey ye twa ye ho ye ba ye ni ye nua bema Jerry Bekasa kai say we are going to Asenama Waterfalls. Ahana dam no, ahanso na waterfalls no, and that's where all our discussions are going to be based. Okay, I show speed guy no. Baby on buy no call ye massage one. Aha, only so call baby mienu. Enye lady ni de no. Aha, the oba we kwapem de no. Aha, nti ye call. Say no mo your massage one. What is the difference between their massage and the other massages are ye hu e wa kra. Nti ye be call ye right inside ah. Nti come ho na enko. Yeah, more every Asenama Waterfalls and what is the region. I people is just a fair idea. I don't know about the bunko. I can't say a bunko about massage. The other side of massage, having a massage beside a waterfall. If I saw there and then walk on and see and non come by about any in your bema Jerry King Samaklo is a Matthew the garden park. Ewa hanwa. Yene eba bebo sankobo. Na mo man se na be din e be starting komodin. Ebusia me refi mi national anthem nti eyi refi nto a ese sankofa ye nchi. Me di so sorry anope. Wada nyame ase. Wonda na se ye dia. Ye nyina ye fa se mo ba akopɛ. Na nkata ye ni. Ye nkata ewrade. Ye da. Sa de party o. Hwe anano ye anti asem de. Enuanum mienu. Eto obu ko voter ready. Ah obu ba back to Accra. Tema haya chapa ana helicopter mo kita. Ye nim de si ye. Enuanum mienu obi ni na tripa. Obanka agis. Na aka say oh sorry fra mo na ajo mo. Omo nyina akọ. Na mi no nya e fiase. Ye ma ebusie ni nyina ahyede. Na nyame enkom. Na mum ya ba ha die. Medie ni ye se de bebro. Jerry, ye ba akọ aba. Asa me who watch be. Asa me who watch be na say si de. O Judi.
Ejuma de me say
kaka. O Judi. Na bi abako. Jerry Ghana man see na see ye ba be massage nko kakra. And yes o. Na Jerry dear our garden spa bi. Ewo isi reach your baby Asenama Waterfalls so. And I be say kai. Wait there, but me to manamo. Na me bra Jerry, or na me dem be bonko. Na Jerry, the whole issue about massage. Dey in here say obi a massage.
Massage dey hu hia pa o. We ni pa ye di ewiase akoniaba, otuna ka mu, otuna sebojuma, ukoba oswa niema, upegya niema emodu. Sa niema we nyina no, e dey yare nkitenkiten ene gu body ni. Nti massage dey hia pa, ehia ema etenetene o. Wapom. Nti obi akoba de bia de massage dey at least once a month dey.
Once a month.
Once a month, there's a beji massage.
And I said, me jari, me stra me home. Me stra me hunina. Say no suka massage no. And I me did support you to me hua. So support na me did to me hunina. No suka massage no.
If I saw I, the work I did no crepa, but there were levels.
Okay.
Uba massager, there were Swedish massage, and a smooth, soft. I say, would this support a tune one? I say, oh, strasla hono. And there was deep tissue. I know there's a chia or ya. We don't pay ukon ubebi ya oya unya asa deep pressure no e dey asa
say
ahoden kakra wo eno na epiapia yare no efi hunam ni.
Oh okay and the amoye no that say eno dey say enam hunam nani ba ko inside
oh inside e ko sa yare
and see massage yare ben na tumisa. Oh
high blood pressure say pressure
yeah. This is what I do no. Massage is to me boa.
Massage.
Wow.
Massage boa papa.
Okay.
E boa ma e reduce blood pressure. Yeah massage o na moja ni die kusane o body ni. It's a regulate pressure no and contem and so any slow.
Okay.
E massage o fitu na se e kosi uti. It's o bia moja ni die kusane kama. It's o pressure a bomber pressure and a bapom.
Okay.
And a yaw, a with cheek. Only sometimes what's not see a chair, Usisi. And I say, Arabia bomb saying sciatica. Ninano.
Nina massage boa
papa. Because in Prepino, Anna Hunamna is the thing I bury. I
didn't who's a general. This is a more moving one.
If I say what's not for a channel. Oh sorry, I am not Jenny. But open to my cover to Wajin Coso. Cobasa, but most of the times no. Ye Jumemu, ya sitting a moon in your man, and ma, ye hunam no baby Jenny. And to buy massage no, at Snitsney. All those areas, maybe a mojan bit maybe a aquaba.
Wow. I was your folk, I said, you need your bema, Jerry King Tamaklo. And a bon combo the garden spa ubo Asenama Waterfalls ubehuno ewo honomo all the way in the eastern region. And like I say, we celebrating Ghana, we celebrating Ghana month, everything Ghana we want to enjoy. Internet you say you enjoy the ambience. Instead of you pia bonting, next you enjoy water. It's a beautiful waterfall uba Asenama hanomo. Na enche the omoye no ha se the omoye o massage no ha no obetren And who the difference between the waterfall massage or the garden spa massage compared to baby Abia, Ubako baby, Yakata, a demo, I have a massage or and see a bebot now, that was you made. Jerry, what was the inspiration about the garden massage? What inspiration here then?
I can't say preppy, massage, them. But if a tears, yes, here. Who pretty and I say, baby, to say waterfall say. Sound the waha from me waha, Nina bois, and my body ni relax.
Calm my body, no,
my body ni pa. It's massage ni ye, it be 80% no, not environment, no, so you're
20%.
Not be VI.
So people really come and come for Baha. Okay, is it only on weekends and not during the weekdays to go for Baha?
Usually no. Yeah, advice is say weekdays no. Obasi I am confirm doors wa.
Okay.
Because I have a public place. But weekends they are not
confirm doors
wa. Weekdays the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there. We ba had na ha yi kama. We massage. The munyin na.
We want to see how the massage goes. And says a baby agreed there. Jerry, me cry me who can come. I want to see because who's the cost fan almost like sound air waterfall sounds the mouth. But when they are natural one. I was appointing me Jerry air barbecue. Yeah, come baby on we massage no one. Na ya chef tell your no. Na say be on so e be say be no ho. E Jerry, so me muna yanko I know be
I must wa.
Sorry. Remember. Hey.
Kaka. We man say.
Nimba ni say. Che.
Come on.
Hey.
Me no doctor feeling my body. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell me the body and come up and a trip in my head.
We are not days of it. Nanga me na me na put me in my health, my life. Put me in my health, my life. It's really like me put me in my health, my life. That's all.
Me no doctor feeling my body.
Thank you.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell me the body and come up and trip, baby. I'm so sorry. Tintini won't tell me. Do you wanna learn more? And I get ready, cause it's all about you. My health, all my life, oh. Me inquiring my poem in my health, all my life, oh.
I was there for so that's what happens at Asenama Waterfalls. A beautiful waterfall. So you should how many meters? Do you have any idea? That's so long.
Maybe about 10 meters.
10 meters, it could be longer, it could be shorter. Well, a very beautiful waterfall, social media. And this is what they do here. It's a massage at the waterfalls by Spa Garden. Garden in the spa gardens. You know, Bema, Jerrykin, Tamaklo. And Nijume Dio, Yawahano. On Monday to Sunday. What's the 24 hours economy?
24 hours economy.
All you have to do is to book and then come and have your beautiful massage. Massage is to attend for so many release stress, so be on pressure. And I then
and back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, and general stress, even relationship stress.
Hey,
I ain't aging body anymore.
I now everyone.
Okay, heart beat. Aging body in the baby.
Every massage. Okay. All right. So, okay. So, oh, problem. But very stressing. It's all your massage. Massage.
I know Swedish. I know it's soft. I know they have said the feather for a croc. And you deep tissue. All right. So. That is a massage, yeah, dear baby. All right, you know bad in the waist, I want to see. I'll be able to show the massage, how it goes here. And you can start working. We are Jumana. So it's just like the normal massage, spa. Okay, but this one is a spa at the waterfall. At the waterfall. Waterfall, no, senior warm body.
say also warm body now and why massage.
But I say nam the heat in the ejuma.
Okay.
See you warm it up. I say you born in kai say maybe you ejuma.
Oh, okay.
Maybe inside.
Just like go exercise, you have to stretch, you know.
Stretch it.
Okay, so this is like you are stretching the body, preparing it ube massage, you know.
That's right.
Okay. On a normal day at the spa, they take like 1 hour 45 minutes. I how people massage your hair. Not how many?
Regular massage 1 hour.
Regular massage 1 hour. It's depending on the waterfalls. So never half
But
1 hour.
1 hour 20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes.
Because it me my own paka em Bahama 1 hour.
It's only 20 minutes.
20 minutes ka on.
Okay.
I'll be do feel it there. That's the whole day there. The beer sort.
Oh, okay. Where oil? Okay. Oil and then I'll mix it. Able to have oil in it.
The oil on the base near shea butter.
Oh, in Kuto. Okay.
Coconut oil.
Okay, kubiangwa. Kubiangwa.
Shea butter. Shea butter.
Shea butter.
Lavender so.
Lavender. Okay, in Kuto, kubiangwa and lavender. It's the okay. Okay, I said, "Bibi, it's my number."
What me do? Bibi won't be it.
Yedi. Okay.
Bibi won't be it.
All right. So it's a normal massage, but extra time, extra ambience,
extra relaxation.
Extra relaxation. Now, how do you read up a saw there?
Hey.
Hey, because you may have to say about that.
I had the tent, but
okay.
And see,
okay,
the whole
picnic tent.
The whole day now.
Okay.
You better set a picnic tent amount.
And only find the baba now.
But you are near the bar.
Okay.
Yeah, the baba.
Wow. Wow. So this is the Swedish massage.
Swedish massage, very soft, rhythmic. I mean, pajamas same thing. Maybe I make Kobe, I'm insanely than the body.
Insanely than the body. And so a typical African massage. Okay, my mom call round. So but all call round.
Pajamas same thing body.
And the body ni better to say pajamas like pajamas say. Okay. Okay. So movement ni na.
You say no ube feeling relaxation.
But it's interesting. Say, Uber massage, waterfalls, no. I think the last time we saw is I show speed. No. Or better. And I'm going to change.
That's right.
And so we'll be a quiet number. Yeah, you know. We'll be able to me a baby. Now, better. Is it say your bookie and the number? Because nobody knows to be a vending.
To be bookie.
Okay.
Ubukia. Categories be or and as a packages be or
more packages. It comes with a package.
Okay. Obi or her about wine.
Hey.
Of the no more. That's our starting massage. That's I say.
Now, we better be the doctor.
Obi also of the in a duffel.
Okay.
Maybe
we are couples massage.
Anniversary, you know. Celebrations, birthday.
Birthday.
Set up.
Okay, we are set up.
Set up.
It's independent bar. Birthday set up.
Birthday set up.
Branding birthday, amano. Okay.
Sorry, no. Oh.
Why But when you say today, people are scared of going for a massage. Or people want to be in combat. They do the camera. Or more, I don't know whether body no want to be shut through. I want to media massage here. But I don't know bet you are catch from.
Massage there. And can make us say a yema ubia. And I will member any ma or massage. Into your bar now to me show who saw a bit more bar man your massage.
Okay. Sister,
beautiful. We are Bema so Bema bet na your wejuma. And yet by force say or ban a Bema so your bar.
Okay. And see, Bema do on so per se. Oba, we come around session, why? Bema be so also eto oba. Oba so oba man. And I Bema no so I don't know Bema bedin is about to me Bema.
No, na make say ye wo mu ahodo obi wo ba yaresa
and to shave no
David na chi ye ne ya no emfa ho
me better be able to I don't even think about what's happening
onya pressure kasa
yeah me na me ba better holo okay
the massage ni dey enya dey say bow because obi broni beka say enye open surgery ye mbie wo ba bia ye mpai wo ena enye edura obefa
okay
hunam nankasa ekwan ya ofa so sane ho yare no eno a na ye nam so no nti moja edi efu sane no na eyi efin na the nutrients ko baby say nutrients ko nti ye boa moja no ma no ye na ejuma nti eno ni main what you call point nti ye boa hunam no amana aye na ejuma
so the idea is not say mudi musa fa nipa no keke
me pa cho dey
boa asa nipa no yare
me pa cho
and so bia ope massage be enko nipa ni tirim say enye se me ba ba bi emi ame ho keke
me pa cho dey
me ba ba ji ayare
ayare sa kese pa
okay
ayare sa kese pa
and over massage in the say for 1 hour 20 minutes
the dane no nti ye ne chi 30 minutes ni adane ne nim ni aye ne nim so 30 minutes but enye bebia na ye dey nsaka
enye bebia adentia na se bebia ka body no ni ana obia specific
pacho ai
okay obi ho pese wo de won sabe ka na
pacho ai
obi so ho de on mind
pacho ena obia ne yare o de ba nti bia na ne yare no ehu hia pote se obeye ne to ho adwuma nti bebia focus no wo no ho na
woni beda ho ne se bebia keke na wo
pacho debi
okay then enye se nipa ne ba ya no start massage no
pacho debi
muni ni fa process
e bisa o se o day to day activity at the same e bia uchi ka 3 hours utina se 4 hours tani manyina ye hwe na e bisa o se wo ya wo baby ujina ho na utini mu a uti ya wo tani manyina ye hwe ansa na ya che massage a ebeboa a solve that issue
okay and nipa ni for phone or so brad jerry the person me ba Asenama Waterfalls on mo and today now we be so then now pay another now person me yama another na yawo nti be hu sa nyama ni nyina okay so based on sa nyama no so na ye di booking no and the package ye be ma
eboa ma ye yi package na say technique e be boa
but looking back to the waterfall it's so beautiful nko fo be jare o ha
pacho ai nko fo ba
because that Samuel Salvio say I was saying swim wahala me stones we want to
emundo sa
what am job crap that adam nice emundo sa it's a move on there
on be chucha pictures no me jina ujine man so no
ebego
I know say massage ni bia no therapy
I want to do that I really want to do that our mom is do that before I leave here our mom is doing it must be before and then no and it's straight from the stone fresh from rubber wow but how did you discover this place
my name is Namfu Fobi we decided to come and try massage at the waterfall and he was
okay hello hi wow okay
enti ayeye na finance ade we be boa pa na nkofo ni so ba ho abema ahoho abagana
it's going to be a tourism site for Ghana one of the tourist sites you know. Wow
I should speak so about how ko ide
and there as Asenama and nkofo ba after buying nkofo ba
you say nkofo ni aba ha kama
and se be boa business
be boa
but me ye aduane ni nyama wo holo mo
pacho ai on holidays yeah food vendors back around pacho ai kebab for ni
this a holiday so any holiday na
no holiday yeah
okay
ya no mo nim say e bia nkofo be ba he na so mo ba
and so bia mpesa we boka
pacho ai ba holiday
na aha light wa ha
I had a light in here
and so mo ye ejuma to time from time to time
can you make best more day?
Na mapuna.
But the found there, Yana, we will make accommodations for that.
Oh, okay. Which be the life.
We hope
Evening.
Imagine so massage and a job.
Waterfalls but people have a lot of perceptions. Come to the waterfalls, come and do your massage. Baby say, hey, I just say who prefer baby. But Ghana. So it's nature. It's part of nature. We should enjoy what we have. Wow. Okay. It's so bad than another anything. Oh, okay.
Maybe what's in hell?
I was there for I tell my health, my life, my pomade, and the massage is ongoing. But you try on what you can talk. You buy transfer. You try on Combra.
Be on Bahad and the mechanic say Asenama Waterfall a very interesting place. Oba when you budget. The environment is very quiet. The DBA and on tissue. And a walking distance from here to the waterfall. And to say other waterfall, we've been hiking for a very long time. We're very short. Within a very short time, we were drawn. Until Penny disables will be a bit me. Abba, Hanum say. The high very quiet and a rating is so ill form. Penny for 20 cities for Ghanaians, foreigners 30, and Ankola 10 for Ghanaians, and 15 for foreigners. Ankola. Pachowan is open to the general public. Obi a bit near Abahan. Oh, Obi Pesa obey Bidi Waha. Or buy a man in number. Now a Fred district office, no near or more.
One is the so bad is there. Environment near town, with no relaxation. Now I do so we are back at the waterfall. Over so this is the waterfall. Sexual massage for a while. It's the first time on very nice place. You know, atmosphere is fine. Really unique. There'll be a while now, you know, with the encouraging in London. It's a place that you won't get anywhere else. And that's why I will never do. I mean, I would recommend it. Enjoy the like. I would say, let me know more about it. Maybe I think say, be a while now, you know, maybe I like to get a carriage to number. And a lot of us don't know what I do.
I was afraid I saw Asenama Waterfalls. Remember to be yeah. It's all about making a better. I was massaging it as well. Come on, say I done it. Lady now, no massage. And they say what done it. If I never know better. Okay. So, who your massager? A high-end touch one. Oh, okay. Now, Obi better touch here. I want the touch. And massage. Okay. Because you never be through. Say, about money, you acquire massage. We may be and say, yeah, it's good to tell them. If I try to say, and I'm menstrual, this will name a year in a massage. Oh, okay. And what's me new year, but and you who's our wife. Hey, and then I come and you. That's nice to know. Okay. So say, yeah, inside massage, you know. I was a tourist, Bobby Bray. Our Hanamo. Tourists ever share the coastal war at Asenama Waterfalls. It's a very beautiful waterfall. And Mabu Sheno, Umba Hada, take advantage. Ghana Manti, bra. Now also, Umbe, just come and see the waterfalls. Umbe Tobe Massager, with the Besha waterfalls, you know. What I say, aha, that's a dear coastal our animal. Okay. So massage ongoing. It's the same now we are hopping.
Me sada ne chill, don't pay.
But also honest in the new society. Thanks, yeah.
Because you don't pay inside on a yaoshe.
And you feel your own. Because we will say, at first, not in the new society. That's our wanted to know what's happening there.
It's the way body now and then the pressure so I mean the message I say the body now you see the pressure now I come as no Jina kakra don't say e ya no be sane na
about and do jahwa de do sacha o ka
sacha ho say
na wo dafa body okay
me peja ne sane say we be kwan e wo inside
okay wow and massage nso me wo say nyo bia keke and I also do body command
so dey be
what's that bebre I was by nyo bia keke
pacho dey be
I was say obi a wakwadre we see ade no a oni made no
with experience
cuz
in focus school but usually in experience in here cuz schools no we hear more practical to for ama on sa kokwa nipa ho ama
we hu nipa ne part no
baby a join bibia wo
how long have you been doing this? Like, I'm not talking about Ubahano,
right.
But in your whole life, how long have you been doing
almost 6 years. This year 6 years.
6 years?
That's right.
Wow, and the one massage for every. Can you count? What is your kind for a massage?
Oh, it's now over 1,000 people.
Over 1,000? Over 1,000 people.
Over 1,000 different
wow.
people. Yeah.
That doesn't take anything away from you. Enjoy one day.
So me hojuma.
Okay.
Me call gym. And me show me didi mu yi.
Okay.
Who hear me pa. Let me didi every day be me exercise. Na be me ho be din. It's a who nya din, I want me ensa. Ensa so be yare. Say na me peja we.
I got it.
So me show me who see you pa. That's why.
Nice over yare kra. And I build down also. Say
every week be a massage.
Ah, some say. It's no massage, no massage. Exactly. Yeah, me here me better me yet some. I say the Ghana man celebrating Ghana man on United Television, UTV. My health, my life. My pomodin and men kwaso kai so pomodin so exam my say you massage body no I be share body no and no so hia and na ya say massage no unya broken heart kra na o massage a eyi ni free o bo
that's right
unya depression na o massage a eyi ni nyina free o so and na dey ya obia blood pressure kra ya say eyi massage boa enti pa mo cho eya na ba wi a short ni bia we why I don't know how to quiet. It's a good say, massage. Yes, sister massage. Our animal. And then she's really feeling it. She's really feeling it because at the hand of stress now, yeah, Minya, bench. Oh, this is yeah, sister, would you? Hey, a junior singing I am massaging. Okay. And no headache.
A boy you say headache.
So
when tension headache.
Tension headache. About it up power.
And attention jina utinimu ene okon. Ene ma pain ni coating.
Okay. And to the panibasa.
Session it here say no.
Now massage. And no also big to be back at
for head
massage.
So ti yo ya, uti paiwa. 15 minutes head massage. Etimima etipai no ko.
15
minutes head massage.
Wow.
Say anyira kra na e be reduce
pain no.
Be 80%.
Okay.
15 minutes head massage. See massage e pa o.
Enye nyema ni nyina na ye duro.
Me pacho dey be.
Enye bibia na ye duro.
Pacho.
Uti pai wo so a. Uti me fera so. Uncle Jerry, after me see pai me and saying now but for head massage and 50 minutes.
15 minutes.
It means very 50. If you do it, you will come. But yes, we hear our
mom would say, Ebri Botanical Gardens, Oyarefa, Mampong.
Okay, and no Bemu.
And no be.
Okay.
We na mutini share Bree Botanical Gardens.
Okay.
There was spa ho.
Oh, more spa.
Spa located.
Oh, okay.
I know a dine ho. Upe dine no more. Be massage or dine.
Okay. But nipa waterfalls to the end there is oba.
Okay.
I get you. Wow. It's a bit massage route, you know. 15 minutes, headache gone. Wow. And I know to me say see a massage aso.
That's right.
And no na dey. Let me hold to say be your massage be aso. As original ta. Now where so the FIFA.
Nipa Diana connections e wo be dia.
Okay.
It was so it's connected to your new everybody.
Wasu keke. Wasu eh.
Connections for her. Sana una so connections for her. Same connections for her. It's massage no enye body akese ni kwa waso. Ujona isa.
Our pantai no.
Na we nim. We near see we near.
Wow. We near to it. Yeah, massage.
Your face massage.
Okay.
I massage women in there are trigger points that we help release and relax the body. Tension headaches are making trigger points for women. So the disease is kakra a bomber with fire and I say tension there will feel off. That's
Hi.
Doctor, feeling my body. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell me the body and come up and a trapper. My health, all my life, oh. Me quite my pomade, my health, all my life, oh. My pomade, my health, all my life. Me quite my pomade, my health, all my life. My pomade, me doctor, feeling my body. Tell a friend to tell a friend, get me the body and come up and trap up, baby. I
was trying to share my health, my life, my pomade, and our United Television. So I told you our DSTV channel 360. So much for all our social media network. So it's still the Ghana man celebrating Ghana, celebrating Ghana. And then this massage center or the Asenama Waterfalls is one of the tourist destinations. We went to Abaho, now we saw a massage. And just a bit piano, Mama Jerry Kane, Summer Club. I didn't contact number as well. What about our friend? Now book you for a massage. He's at your service. About wow. But Jerry, and I'm a Mrs. Yes, so with someone. We have all the nerves like it's connected to the body. So big vision so now say we keep me I say. Why I say? They see a so baby name Miawa. I say so baby yeah, I don't know how true is that. Yes.
Like I say ebumusa but enye trasa. Okay. There's deeper connection I what body no. Same I make us unaya say.
Okay.
Meaning now the nerve endings. The amount of electricity a foul body, nam nerves, nerves, a BBP on same, a BPO na say,
so they are
interconnected, or baby. And to me, so now connected to your liver, your lungs, your intestines, and what you mean.
So,
massage ni pa na so no.
Oh, massage ni ye many misleading.
Me pa try. Sana o massage ni nsem so a. Baby pot so wo ho a umia nerves no connected to that organ in the body. And nothing I be say a touch ma obete ya wo bebi a nipa ne nsa ne da no. And na e o mo kan.
Wow. Wow. I come in some. That is a different crown no ma. I was so careful because baby I was about to baby that for boy.
Akofa baby.
I was that for baby I was you keep it on That is a very good one. Wow. Interesting. Mr. said that's why I am massaging. Mr. say why enjoyable. Why really enjoyable. But Terry, yeah, Baba Kono. Ghana for a chain. We must say celebrate Ghana man. You buy dress and make a waterfall to the one.
That's right. Sing there Ghana for.
On a daily basis.
That's right. Waterfall see ane.
Oh, waterfall see ane mo dress.
That's right. Spa dey uniform. Waterfall dressing there. Oh me nua no me kwa so ma share nice kente print.
Okay.
E promote Ghana.
So that's more promote Ghana. That's a good one there. Obi pete of pro. Obi pete wash and then we pete about every bia. But the direction.
If I show.
Yeah, my direction is yeah. No man if no contact. Not the pan to me abe and also abe enjoy therapy.
If I show say o pay ya chi akwan a ye wo Ebri Botanical Gardens inside. Your number is 055 475 1077. 055 475 1077. Ufreya ahobua bia wo ho ebeye no ebeye ama na se na wo pese obe enjoy udi wa ha no asope.
Okay. E do muni ni pan be garden ho aba ha.
Me pa so pese ebe fa wa ebetimi amaka be fa wo fie. Baby a wo akra bia no.
Oh, buya ne sa.
Me ba so an ye wo chauffeur service a car ba be fa wo fie. E do wa ba ha straight.
E no na free ana ni pa ni be.
Me ba so dey bi eno so ka
package.
Ba so an ka package no ho. E na say wa wo car so a eno so ni price is different. E na say mu ye group so a eno so price is different. E na mu ye juma kuro so a obia ni package.
Ye best me off and say there are no I come na right. You bet me off and say sorry for no one gadom ho and na e say ba ha omo from wa. Mo bet me arrange so mo ni ba so mo wa ba. Na ko form. Na so no kuru no ayire. On be so mo ba. Maybe they don't want to drive. No be so mo be form wa. You'd have that package.
Me ba so e be maka be fa wo fie baby a wo bia. Yan so my time ni location.
Mama e number ni biom.
055 475 1077. 055 475 1077.
Okay, so obvious to me sorry kekemba. You have to book.
Me pa join.
Not yet prepare for you.
Me prepare for you.
Okay.
Because ebia u sorry keke na ba ebia sada nkofo ewo ha ye masa. Buki masa masa.
Your boss is sponsor na ya po.
Ye penisa so. U friend na ya prepare amount. Ne abefa wo fie ana se wa wo ka so a na yedi wo chi aba na ya be ya ma o bibi ope bia se champagne na ope se yetuma wa ebetu champagne na oni odofo asana so a ye serving sefo
okay
eya na abrofo ne ba ya na mpese mo try ye local nti ye serving sefo na ye free ha so a ye de wo spa no ya ye o massage wa ha ewie no unante ebo no so ayesi dey bi ye ma won kosa enti e de wo be spa ni akoye foot massage ansa na e ja okwan
ni nyina ye package
ni nyina ka package no ho
okay
ni nyina ka package no ho
na that spa ho no mu na ho dan wo
me pa so an
enti we bet that ba weekend cry
weekend relaxation one for garden the botanical Ebri Botanical Garden baby a open o garden ho bia bet me set up ho ni aye o massage ni bia ena e wo dan wo ho asa opese we massage no dan no ma eno so e bet me aye ma o
very interesting but any kra omo share no yanka infrastructure 1 2 3 bia wo be massage wo be benefit especially by the waterfalls.
Because a massage eye pa eye ma eboama o pressure eba from se wo eya obi wo hunam no so a Ebuama eya no kofom. Aha. And I say a broken heart be cry and I say a jume mo asem be cry na udwen kwensi so a massage ne boa. Ema e body na kasa release ne ma ema obu eto yem. Aha. And ye ba waterfall ha so a sound ne wa ha no environment no obeti inoma sound ni ema ni nyina eboa ema body any relax. Ha.
All right, so we shall for a dinner here. But let me say, I have to get closer to the waterfall. I have to experience it. What I say. Now, after I'm explaining, I have to take off my mic and things. Maybe it'll be your man. And if you want home with your man, I'll be at the waterfall. But I must say, for tuning in and watching the Ghana Month edition right here at Asenama Waterfalls with Jerry King,
the garden spa.
The garden spa. You better watch them. I'm saying now. Better if you know what they are doing now. Better go in now. Diamano. Let me show you Diana. I mean, show you Diana. Enjoy Ghana. Taste Ghana. The Ghana. The experience Ghana. Come and experience Ghana here. Ebe bua yenya udi Ghana no na we experience Ghana no na we check Ghana no ani na bua tourism abe kuta Ghana here. There's a tourism. I greet you wherever you are. Let me tell you the I'm in the Abigail actually. Before that team I'm the buyer Sammy Otavio, the big tall man Sammy Otavio. Sansona Steven and come on next. I think I'm in the Sando who will be doing the editing for us. Thank you so much to the team in the studio. Madam Master. No mom, I have to do the waterfall back. So I'll be there. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Me no doctor, feeling my body. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Give me the body and come up and a trapper. My health, all my life, oh. Me inquiring my poem within my health, all my life, oh. My poem within me inquiring my health, all my life. Me inquiring my poem within my health, all my life. My poem within me inquiring. Me no doctor, feeling my body. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Give me the body and come up and trapper, baby. Hey, Robert, I'm so sorry. Tintini Wumpum. Do you wanna learn more? And I get ready, cause it's all about you. My health, all my life, oh. Me inquiring my poem within my health, all my life, oh. My poem within